All right, so this one says, what are the factors for this equation? Well, in our last example, we said that if we knew the zeros, right, then we could find the factors. Well, the zeros occur at some value of x and y equals 0 and another value of x and the y value of 0. In other words, the zeros are the same as the x-intercepts. So I've got one x-intercept here that occurs at 1, 0. I've got another x-intercept that occurs at 5, 0. So that means x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 5. These are the zeros of this particular function, just based on the graph. Repeat the process that we did in the last example. I'm going to, not add. I'm going to subtract 1 from this side, subtract 1 from this side. I get x minus 1 equals 0. Same thing over here, subtract 5, and I get x minus 5 equals 0. In other words, x minus 1, which is equal to 0, times x minus 5, which is also equal to 0, equals to 0. These are the factors. Any questions on that one? So we're just reversing that process.